Record number of travelers expected to be hitting the skies and the roads on Thanksgiving. Investors are only rewarding certain airlines, though. Phil LeBeau has the explanation for that. Phil.
Yeah, there are the performers, and there are others who are performing better, but they've still got their own issues, and that's why those airline stocks are not as high as the performing set. We'll show you those in just a little bit. The number of flights that we're seeing this week, according to the FAA, the big hit was on Tuesday, yesterday. We'll see a big number today. And then on Sunday, more than 50,000 flights yesterday. Fortunately, there's generally good weather around the country. Yeah, a few pockets here and there, but no major storms that are bogging down traffic over large areas of the country. And as a result, the airlines are expecting their busiest Thanksgiving ever, travel up 6% compared to last year. The TSA expects to screen 3 million passengers on Sunday. That doesn't happen often. They did a few times in July this summer. 3 million is the busiest we've ever seen on a Thanksgiving weekend. I talked about the performers. Take a look at United and Alaska. Both stocks hit 52-week highs earlier this week. They've been on a nice roll here. These are two of the airlines, along with Delta, that are considered the performers because they have increased their execution. Their margins are improving. There's Delta. You see a nice run there. Delta giving its guidance last week that it expects 10% annual earnings per growth share growth over the next 3 years. And then there are the three airlines that have done better, as in terms of the stocks have done better over the last couple of months, but they've got their own individual issues, and that's why we put them into the group of non-performers. American, Southwest, JetBlue. We've talked about American getting rid of so much of the capacity that was bogging down the system. They're making progress there. Southwest with its issues, specifically number of aircraft that it can get from Boeing, and then we know what's going on with JetBlue in terms of redoing its route structure, and also they've got the issue with geared turbofan engines. Bottom line is this, guys. It should be, at least it started off to be, a smooth Thanksgiving weekend travel for the airlines. And if there's no major problems here or there, it should be a smooth one through Sunday.
Hey, Phil, I noticed yesterday UBS cut Southwest, they cut American, but they upgraded United. And I'm wondering if you're hearing a lot about strong dollar dynamics driving vacations, international travel to Europe or whatever, and looking to carriers that have that kind of network.
And that's helping United. We talked about this earlier this week, the fact that they increased the number of routes and frequencies to a number of their hubs, from their hubs over transatlantic routes. And they've extended those into the holiday season. Why? Because there's so much demand when it comes to transatlantic travel. So that definitely has benefited United, Carl.